case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States presided over Parham v. Hughes, a pivotal case in 1979 that tested some pressing questions. Does a Georgia law that treats fathers of unruly children differently from fathers of legitimate children encroach upon constitutional rights? Can biological fathers who have not legitimized their children file lawsuits for wrongful death? The origin of the conflict can be traced back to a fatal car accident involving a biological father's illegitimate child. In the state of Georgia, wrongful death lawsuits can only be initiated by mothers of illegitimate children or legitimized fathers. The lawsuit was brought forward by the biological father, who had not legitimized his child in accordance with Georgian law. In addition to the father, the child's maternal grandmother also entered the fray, launching her separate wrongful death lawsuit. In the maelstrom, the court had to decide if the law bordered on discrimination and infringed on the father's rights. However, the Supreme Court vindicated the legislation, stating that while it might appear discriminatory on the surface, the father's failure to legitimize his child underpinned the validity of the law. The court reasoned that the legislation didn't single out fathers as a whole, but was structured to prevent fraudulent paternity claims and ensure an efficient system of property disposition upon death. In the end, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Georgia law, efficiently squelching any further appeal and thereby upholding the decision of the Georgia Supreme Court. As a result, the biological father was unable to carry forth his wrongful death claims, a consequence of his failure to legitimize his child. When measured against the constitutional scale, Georgia's law stood its ground, showing that all men may not be treated equally under the law when they shirk certain responsibilities.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class